There's my BMW X5. The window regulator clip is broken, so it comes down nice and easy. But when you want to put it up, it drags and struggles till it stops. And what's happening is this clip is attached to the window, but the cable is not attached to the clip. The clip has broken inside. So what it looks like is can I get you a good view of this? Alright. This, where are you? Hold on. This little barrel here is attached to the cable. You can see it moving. In fact, if I lift the window up, it kind of falls into its hole. Okay, window's up. And then it falls into, well, it falls into this area of the clip. There's a square there for it. It's hard to see with a white on white. But that cable goes right through here. People are saying they're having such a hard time getting it on, and I don't see how. You just lay the cable in this way and turn the clip, and it'll ride right through, I think. So if it's much harder than that, I'll have to make another video, or I'll pause this one and hope that I can get it all in one video. Alright, so you get this lined up with that bolt. That bolt, you take it out, that's through the window. You take the clip off the glass, put the new clip in, put it on the cable first, then put it on the glass. And it should be as easy as that. However, since I have no video editing skills, this is going to be a chopped up presentation. Alright, bolts out. And should be able to take this up a little bit. Basically fell off. And there's the barrel on the cable. Now that it's out of the way, I can, get my finger on it and show it to you. It's really, really super tight right now. So I think if I take it up a little bit more and then pop it the window down a little bit, this cable would loosen up. And then much looser. Now I can move this cable all around because I dropped the window down a little bit and it loosened up the slack in it. There's a plastic clip that fell in there along with the regulator somewhere. There's a black plastic clip that holds or cushions the bolt against the, come on, man. There you are. Nope. Something fell out. And I know there's a plastic clip that goes to protect the glass. But I'll find it, put it back together. There it is. This goes in the glass back here. Just sits on the bottom. Stop that. So now I have a loose clip I can install, or a loose cable. I can install this new regulator. So that's where that barrel sits in the new one, and the old one had the top popped off, which is why it wasn't pulling the window up and getting jammed sideways. Well, it kind of fell into place. What I had to do basically was push the cable away from this black piece because I can't get the clip close enough to the cable to install it. So I'm pushing on the window to get the window out away from the clip, and I'm pushing on the cable to get it away from the black guide, and just pulled the regulator towards the cable and it kind of fell on. Now it's not completely seated. It's going to have to square up and get in there. It was in. Come on. I can't do this while holding a phone, but it was in. Well, I am having a hard time putting that barrel in that notch. The bottom doesn't want to slip in. So I'm gonna see if I can get a heat gun on it, soften it up a little bit, make it a little bit more flexible. Something, I don't know, but just that barrel's having a little bit of a hard time slipping in that hole. But the cable wasn't too hard to put in. That slipped in behind that tab pretty easy. This might possibly need a small C-clamp, because I cannot get this thing pushed in here. So, again, need two hands, don't have a tripod. I was skeptical of all the whiners out there that said this was a pain in the ass, and it's going to be a real pain in the ass. That's still not fully seated. And this clip, well, you'll see when I get there. Somehow, you got to put this on this track before you put the cable on. Anyway, this piece here rides. Where do you ride? All right. Through here. Cannot do this. That piece has got to ride behind these two fingers, right here and here. So that slides right through where this worn part is. So this is going to be a real pain in the ass. Sorry, but, well, I'm not buying a whole new regulator from BMW or anywhere else. These clips were maybe 20 bucks at most. I don't remember. They came off of Amazon, and I'll replace the clip, and I will get it done. Well, I have now, finally, this on the edge where it belongs. But now I still have to get that wire and barrel into its seat. And now I have much less flexibility because I cannot just move it around as I need to. I'm going to have to force that. Come on. Alright, I got slack in the cable, just need to bring my regulator down to meet it. And bring that cable out. So I can slide this down. I can see how this could be such a pain now. And I'm not helping you by shaking this all over the place. So basically, I gotta get this wound through that groove, and put that barrel into that hole. And I'm not quite lined up in that square hole. I'm going to have to fiddle with it. But yeah, it's questionable. But again, I'm not doing an entire regulator. So, best of luck to you guys. I will get it, and that's how I'm getting to it. And when I do get it in there again, or get it close, I'll probably wind up using a tiny channel locks. Make sure you don't have a hold of the window. Get in between the clip and the window, because if you squeeze on the glass, you're gonna break your glass. Same thing with the C-clamp. Don't clamp your glass. Push the glass back and get stuff in between so you can get on the clip, and then squeeze it that way. Thanks for watching. Bye.